This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing the fried paint. Look for blisters, lifted edges, and burnt gloss. Once identified, remove loose material with a scraper and 400 grit to feather the edges so new layers bond. Make sure to degrease with acetone and wipe with a tack cloth to remove dust. You should wear a respirator and keep ventilation steady. Begin immediately. Delaying allows contamination and makes adhesion harder, so prepare only what you will refinish in one session. You now sand into solid paint or bare substrate using 400 then 800 grit to create a smooth feathered edge. Once smooth, apply a thin layer of compatible filler to pitted or burned areas, let it cure, and sand level with 800 grit so contours match. Make sure to clean again before priming. Apply an adhesion primer in a light tack coat first, then one full coat. This seals substrate and prevents future fry-up by improving chemical bonding, but you finish by spraying 2 to 3 thin, even top coat passes. Maintain a 6 to 8 inch distance and steady motion to avoid runs. Once flash time completes, apply clear coat as recommended for your product and let the piece cure fully before handling. If you see orange peel or runs after drying, wet sand with 1,500 to 2,000 grit and either recoat or polish to level the finish. Troubleshooting tip. If adhesion fails again, strip to bare substrate and repeat primer with a different adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.